The liquid process agents are stored in a space-saving fashion in the drawer of the MELAtherm 10. The cleaning agent and neutralizer are carried in a 5-litre container and the rinse aid in a 1-litre bottle. The MEtherm process agents, which were exclusively developed to be used in a MELAtherm 10, guarantee the best cleaning outcomes and minimum consumption. An insufficient filling level of a certain process agent causes a corresponding display message. In this case, replace the process agent container. The irritant nature of the agents require that you wear personal protective equipment. To change the agents, unscrew the corresponding suction lance and place it in the suction lance bracket. Insert the new container and screw the suction lance back on. We recommend starting the air removal program so as to ensure optimal metering of the process agent. In contrast to the neutralizer and cleaning agent, the rinse aid bottle is not replaced but refilled. Take the original packaging and fill 3/4 of the bottle. Finally, bleed the metering hoses.